InfinityDrill here, drilling into a game called Unplug. It looked like an interesting, cute game. I figured we could get into it together and see how it plays. I don't know anything really about it. I know we're a robot, and it can like plug into stuff. Oh, this is weird. Are we not supposed to go this way? I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm gonna guess we're not supposed to go this way. Is there no sound? A little bit of technical difficulty. That's how these demos are sometimes. They're not very optimized. They're meant for, you know, easy gameplay. Hey, look at that. Not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. I wonder what else you can connect to. Alright, that's much better. Listen, buddy, I need a bit of a favor. I'll cut to the chase. There's no way out of this place, at least not without the right equipment. Thankfully, I got that equipment, but I need your help before getting out. Deeper into this place are a few data cartridges I need. You'll know them when you see them. Keep going up this path and you'll get to the right place. I'm sure you can find a few things to plug into that'll get you there. Oh, so if I jump off. I have to right click on it. DTA respawner, press LMB to respawn a robot. Unplug, hold RMB to aim and release to launch. Huh. Okay, so you can shoot your head. Can it go up? It cannot. It's not that well. What if we go a little bit further back? Ah, so you don't want to hold it. You just need to hold it for a second. Huh. I don't know what those block things are, but we can't get to them. Or can we? Hey, look at that. We got some ducats. Not gonna lie, this is a pretty cool concept for a game. Being able to like just use a head and then you switch between different units or bodies, I guess. Am I supposed to do anything with this stuff? No. What happens if you die? Bloop. GG. Oh. Okay, so that's a respawn point. Oh, we know if we die, we respawn quickly, so that's a bonus. I wonder how much they have done of this already. Not gonna lie, it seems pretty cool. Obviously they need a little bit more optimization. Is there anything in the corner? Anything I can snag? Nope. Just a hidey hole. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go though. It said something about getting to a location and using different bodies to get there, but nothing in there. Can't get up there. Can we get up here? Hey, we can get up here. Just gotta jump. My little feets. My little penguin feets. Oh, that's kind of trippy. The camera adjusts. So I'm guessing that's how he's gonna hide a bunch of different collectibles or currency is right out of camera view unless you get to that certain platform and then it rotates. The lighting was kind of cool there. Plop. Nice, we made it outside and to a new spawn point. Check that out. What is this thing? Can we connect to it? No, we cannot. Are we sure we can't? When close to a pluggable object or body, press RB to plug into it. Some objects provide unique functions. Press the left mouse button to trigger it. Maybe that one's the one where I have to click the left mouse button. I think I can make this jump just with my little head. Hey! We gotta get every last ducat. There we go. So I'm guessing this is some kind of cannon. Okay, so the right button's gonna always throw the head. Hey! Yeah. Oh, the ducats. A little weird how all the pieces don't disappear right away though. I guess we don't need to shoot this. Maybe just stand on the button with this thing. Hey, so it's just a heavy device. And we got the ducats. Look at that. And we can't see a damn thing. Can we not eat? Come on, just shove it in a vent. Oh, that was a tight hole. Hey. Just like that, we made it through. What's that thing? Oh no! I almost killed myself. That's gonna be a little weird getting used to. Is this just a station? Just shoot myself? Ah, okay, I see. I see. So what's back here? Death? Oops. Well, that was definitely a sweet release of death. No. We're so speedy. My little legs are pumping so quick. I saw those ducats over here. Let me get them. Yeah, ducats. Don't fall off this time. Yeah, here we go. Almost did it again. Not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. So far, I'm liking the idea of this game. It's pretty cool. I need one more body. Which I'm gonna assume that respawning. Oh, there's something up there. Do we go this way? I'm gonna assume respawning bodies means it'll reset the original body. Duckids. All these crates are filled with robots, every single one. There's no damn food here, nothing even remotely useful for me. I need to keep this up as long as I can. Guest user. Huh. So there are humans. Because anything that needs food is a living organism. I mean, unless robots eat now. Alright, so we need to somehow get this guy out of here. But how? Looks like these lower somehow. I'm gonna guess. Yeah, it won't fit through there. I'm gonna guess we need to put something on that switch, which means we're probably gonna need this other robot over here. Blap. It's also kind of cute how they put their arms out when they run. Hey, look at that. And then we run him across. And just like that, our door's open. Bada bing, bada boom. And it takes me to a creepy room. No, no. I'm so quick. Fast, boy. Another data cartridges right ahead of you, now find the other 3. Off to the left, you'll find the lab entrance. Head on in there and keep looking. Get all of them and bring them here when you're done. I can get you out from the DTA here. Should be pretty easy for someone like you, right? Someone like you? What does that mean? Racist. So I can't plug into that. No. Hey, there's boats now. I'm gonna guess the water kills me. I'm very bright here. Was that not what I was supposed to do? Oh, there's an invisible wall. So I'm gonna guess no. Sweet, sweet death. So what do I do with the boat? If I can't go across, am I supposed to do like shoot off or something? Nope. Oh, wow. There's a little hole down there for me. There's some ducats. That's not creepy. It was just angry while I was over there. Or is that random? if I'm supposed to go down there. Let's go up here first, though. Let's see. Let's see if this robot can do anything except walk and stand on things. Oh, okay, so maybe I can shoot that head across the lasers. That'll give me the ducats, but I don't think that'll do much else. Let's get those ducats. That moolah. Hey, just like that, we're a little bit richer. Important security memo. This is an official communication to all research staff that effective immediately, all lasers will be turned on by default. All lasers will be lit up like right now. And yes, that is all lasers. Big lasers, small lasers, practical lasers, dramatical lasers, pragmatical lasers. Love and kisses, Ministry of Information Security. Huh. Well. Oof, I had to go all the way back here. Oh, did I not activate the spawn point? Flap. Now it's activated. Oh, okay, we're supposed to jump across there. That makes sense. That makes sense. Not dollars, but cents. Nice. Oh, no, not nice. Nice. It was a nice recovery, though. And ducats. Ducats I can't reach. More ducats. I wonder if you, like, buy something later on with this, like upgrades or something. Spawn point. Ducats. So it's just a box. No. All the ducats. Num 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 num. I mean, that was a pretty easy puzzle, but this is the demo, so I can't really complain. Now we got some blocks to work with, and there's some ducats in there. I see you. That puts a laser up. This thing is so much slower than everything else. Get these ducats. And get these other ducats. Ah, what? I clicked. That's my bull. Ah, wow, it's gonna reset it. That's kind of lame. Okay, so we can't make that jump. That jump, right? Yeah, no. I mean, I could try to bring the big guy up there, but that won't really do a whole lot. I could also... maybe the plants are there as an obstacle. That's a little annoying. Ah, okay, so blocking these lowers them. No. Alright, got that. I'm gonna guess we're supposed to block each laser at a time and work our way that way. But first, I would like to shoot myself across this other side and see if there's anything over there, because I like them ducats. I don't know what they're used for, but if there's a collectible, I gotta get it. Ducats. Tasty. Untiled note. They keep showing up. I keep finding them walking and jumping around. I've gotten better at spotting them, but if you manage to get away, I can't plug into all the machinery in this place the way they do, so there are places I just can't get to. I know that he's sending them. Only he could do something like that from so far away. I have to find a way to stop this. Guest user. Nice. Making my way downtown. It's a little weird how my body moves even though I'm plugged in. Actually, I mean, technically I don't need to go back, right? So I'm gonna do this thing. I don't know if that was intended, but you know what? We're gonna do it. I'm gonna guess this guy is just for us to place on the switch. Hey, we made it. Oof, look at all them bodies up there. There's the other data. There's some more ducats. Whoops. Oof. It's a big laser. And I can't even touch it. Or even get relatively close to it. Okay, so that spawns a cube. Does that spawn? Okay, so it'll respawn that cube. That's kinda lame. I'm guessing we have to get through there when it turns off. Oh, there's a hole there. If you want to check out the game yourself, the demo's available on Steam. Otherwise, hit the gong and hit the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.